Hey guys, this is Orange1270918, and welcome back to a brand new Roblox video. And today we are playing some jailbreak. Let's go!
Even restarted the video, but my sister was singing earlier, so
Yeah, it
I
was
wanted
funny.
to remake the moment.
And I'm also with my friend, Cameron, CMG Ninja 06. Shut up! Ah!
God, he's trying to go.
Alright, let's get started, guys. Cameron, where are you so we can, escape?
My 12-year-old sister got arrested. Oh no.
Your 12-year-old sister got arrested. Good job.
That would be great. My neighbor got arrested.
My neighbor got arrested. Dude, that should be our title for the YouTube video. Ah! My thing is lagging a lot.
Oh, there's a beach. Ow.
Alright, I'm escaping.
I may or may not. Pretend you're like a big jerk and everybody hated. Ethan, you're my best friends, but you don't have any friends. Exactly.
Says you.
Shoot! A police got unlocked.
Dude, I have a lot of friends. I'm in high school.
No, I'm kidding. I have a lot of friends.
Exactly, yeah. Gang, gang, gang. Who was that?
Yeah, so very nice. Oh, I got Stu's car.
It didn't say I escaped. Alright, there we go. I was gonna say, it didn't say I escaped yet. Why is it not saying I didn't escape? Like, what?
Use the ultra boost. Hey, is anyone want to rob the jewelry store?
I will. I want to. What? This car is locked.
I'll be there in a second.
Someone pick me up in a car, cause there's a police car and it's locked, and it's covering where all the other cars. Oh, never mind. Something just like pushed the car all the way. I am so confused.
On top of a car.
Come on, car, spawn. Oh my lord. Finally, a car finally spawned.
Wait, Ethan.
What?
Is that you?
I'm in a yellow car near the prison. Why?
Confused. Wait, you're inside of a yellow car?
Yeah, I'm inside of a yellow car.
I can't see you.
Well, maybe because I'm not where you are.
Wait, is that a cop? Yeah, it's a cop. Run! Fuck you! Fuck you, dude! Fuck you!
Frick everyone. No, just frick everyone. Okay, my
Is it?
car is lagging so much.
Ethan, I'm 11 minutes in and I did nothing.
You're 11 minutes in?
Yeah. Just restart the video. I promise I'll say. Okay, everyone shut it, including Ethan.
Jesus Christ.
The door. Shut the fridge. Come on, I'm serious. Are you cereal or are you cereal? I'm cereal!
I'm cereal!
Okay, everyone shut cereal. Come on, cereal. What kind of cereal?
I'm cereal. Whoa.
No, you're Raisin Bran. Okay, Shannon.
I'm Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
No, nobody cares. Okay.
What? How rude.
Hey guys, Cam here. Welcome back to another Roblox video. I did that right.
Finally.
Today, the jewelry store just opened. I don't care.
The jewelry store opened. I'm heading there right now. I'm right there. I'm right there.
I hate you too.
No! Someone just got in.
Let me finish my intro. And today we're gonna play some jailbreak. Yeah. So
Jailbreak.
no, I'm in my
This thing is so slow.
Ethan, because I have no friends.
Rip.
Okay?
Rip.
Oh, and if you guys are subscribed to Blue Purple Pink PPP Gamer, unsubscribe.
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 Oh,
All you
yeah.
gotta do. All you gotta do. All you gotta do.
When they come for you. Sweet. That's what you do when they come for you. Me? I ain't a bully.
No, not you.
I gonna do when they come for you.
Guys, I might get $2,000.
Ooh, that was some sick slow motion driving.
I'll betray you like a devil. Shoot.
No one betrays me because
As you can see, I'm supporting the Patriots. I'm Tom Brady.
yes, Patriots.
Oh, I want an underdog. Oh,
Go Patriots!
a car went so fast, it made me go right above him.
Yeah, no, the Bugatti Veyron or something like that. No, the Bugatti Veyron is the fastest car in jailbreak.
I got $2,000. I just robbed. I will. Who wants to hear about what I'm having for dinner? Who wants to hear my all-American dinner tonight? No one does. Everybody.
I wanna know.
Rolls. I'm having pizza rolls, corn dogs,
Pizza rolls.
and you guys, brownie sundae with chicken wings.
Chicken wings.
By the way,
Just kidding, I love chicken wings.
and I got $2,000. Give it up for me.
Wow, I have $45,563. Big deal.
Hashtag poor Stockford silence.
What?
Cameron, look at me. Yeah. Look. I'm looking. No, you're not.
Where you guys at?
No.
Where are you guys at?
I wasn't even staring. Yes, you were.
Hello, where are you guys at?
That's Cameron, staring and blinking are two completely different things.
Staring and blinking? It kind of is two different things.
You can blink when you're staring. That's like two different things.
You can't blink when you're staring. I've stared so many times and I never blink. Oh, did you just die on me? Hold on, I'll ask. Did your device die? Okay, this is so laggy. The train! The train. Oh, come on. Let me get. Oh, no. Oh, I just died in midair. Dude, I just died in midair. No, stupid train. $550 paycheck. Yeah. Let's get it. We gotta rob the gas station. Come on, let's rob them gas stations. Please tell me that you have money, because I want money. Yes, $250. $250. Alright, good. That's what I need. So, let's get that. Let's just close the map. 250 bounty, good. Alright, that's good. 250 bounty! Oh! Okay, I really need to know where my friend is. I have no idea where they are. And this is lagging so much. Ugh. Ah, I am lagging so bad. Oh, you're back?
I didn't get my $1,000 either.
Are you back? Where?
If anyone was wondering. I'm back. Phone died.
Oh, of course. Why don't you plug it in like the charger? Oh. Please tell me the jewelry store's open. No, it's getting robbed! It's getting robbed again! Come on. You gotta be kidding me. Where are you guys at? Where are you guys at? Oh, I see you.
My friend came, and I thought he was gonna arrest me, so I started shooting at him, and then I killed him.
Good. Wait, do you have a key card?
And then that was my car.
Your car's in there?
Yeah.
No! Your car's in there.
The motorcycle spawn.
What?
Bring me the motorcycle spawn.
Which one?
Either one.
Ah!
You suck.
I accidentally pressed the wrong button. Alright. I got you. Okay, can this thing get up? Oh my god, this thing won't get up. Oh wait, you're not even in.
Not anymore.
Oh, okay,
Once
and
you got the water, I jumped.
yeah, and this car is not wanting to.
Never make it.
Yeah.
I can race you and I'll beat you. Probably.
Ooh, almost there. Come on. Yes, made it.
Meet me on the road, okay?
Yep.
We're there.
Dude, look at the chat. Look at the chat.
Let's eat some donuts. Yeah, bird.
No. It's effing N-word.
I don't see it. Probably because you're 13 up. I'm not.
It's Fox Ching. I'm not gonna say it because this is a kid-friendly channel. So hold on, let me pause it. What?
Or just doing some hardcore swearing, dude.
Oh my god, this guy. This guy just like got trapped underneath the
That's why I
stairs.
just got arrested, so.
I already am arrested. Are you good? What the frick? Are you good?
No, I'm in the prison, and I was just walking, and then I stepped this guy on the stairs, and I crawled over him, and then I pushed him into the ground.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. That was saying some guy just glitched into the stairs, and then what?
Like, he just disappeared, and I'm like, you good, bro?
Yeah, you good? Frick! I'm at 13 minutes.
Go down there!
Ah! Kaylin, no! Don't you dare! Stop it! Stop! Stop! No! Stop it! Why?
Where are we then?
I got arrested by Kaylin.
Where is she?
She's outside, camping. Outside, in the front gates.
Ethan, do you know any other ways to get out?
Yeah. God dang it, Kaylin. Frick! I'm at 14 minutes. Yo. Oh, I just glitched through the stairs as well. What the frick? I just glitched through the stairs too. What the hell? Help! Help! Guys, that will be all for today. Please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Gonna end mine. Okay. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.